Hi guys, it's Mary with POPPYO, and if you're looking for a good blackhead remover or acne remover, I recommend you to try the POPPYO Vacuum Suction Beauty Device. And what I like about this device, this vacuum suction, is that it definitely works. It also comes with different heads, so you can just try, depends on what you want to do. For example, this one right here is exfoliation, at the same time is suctioning. And this one right here, it's also for suction, but you see how it is different. Easy to use, you just have to put the, and then just turn it on. It has settings for if you want more or less. So it also comes with a USB charger. I really like this vacuum suction, besides that it turns off automatically if you're not using it. It's a feature that I like because if I forget to turn it off, it will do it automatically. I really like this vacuum. I've been using it for so long, and this was a gift, it was a present. I use this especially for a deep exfoliation. I really recommend you to try this product, but this is just my point of view.